Hello. Hello. Good morning. Am I audible? Show me a thumbs up if you all can listen. Okay. Okay. So today is Father's Day. You all know that, na? Wait, wait, wait. Hello. Yes, yes. Now you all can unmute yourselves. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Now I can listen you. So today's hello. So today's Father's Day, and have you all created something for your fathers?
Yeah, I've created another day also was Father's Day.
What?
I created one advanced type of card. Yes, ma'am. I have made for my father.
You have made. See,
I
we
fold the envelope, then I can fold it, then put
okay.
some pen. I could write something.
Yeah, so today we are going to create. Wait, I will mute you all first and then we will start making a Father's Day card, okay? A greeting card where you can write your message, okay? Okay, so let's get started. I'm muting you all and then we will start. And if you have any question, you can always put in the chat box, okay? So I'll read it right here and I'll be able to answer you. So the material we needed for today is, first of all, those who have not turned on their camera, please turn on your camera so I can see you. I had written in the message that we will be needing a plate of around 14 to 15 centimeter of diameter. Can you see that? Do you have all have this? Show me if you have. Very good, Avya. It is good. Mira, it is. I think it is a big. It is little bigger. Okay, it is fine. Neha, yeah. Angad, do you have? Edmin, what's your name? Right, Angad. It is good. Anvi, show me your plate. Anushka, show me your plate. Very good. Right, right. Okay, okay. Now tell me, what is the size of your drawing book? What is the size of your drawing book? Is it A4 or A3? Is it bigger? Like this is A4 size. Can you write in the chat box that is it A4 or A3 so that we can start accordingly? A4. Okay. So maximum of us have A4. So we will be starting with A4. Okay. So I have taken a sheet. You have to take out the sheet from your drawing file, or you can take a separate sheet also if you have. We will need an A4 size sheet. And show me a thumbs up when you all are done with it. Okay. Take out a sheet and we will fold it from the center to make it look like a card. And make sure as you're tearing the paper, it has to be smooth from another side. Okay. And fold it like this. I have folded the paper like this and I'll give it a form of a card. And just keep showing me a thumbs up if you're done with it. Okay, Anushka. Okay, Edmin, Neha, Meera, you are also done. Okay. Sanvi, okay, done. Simran, are you done? Okay, okay. Angat is still doing. Avya is also done. Very good. Now we will take, very good Angad. Okay, let's get started. Video is not coming. Simran, switch to speaker's view. If you will switch to speaker's view now, you will be able to listen and see. Now we will take our plate and we will put it here. See, is it visible? Wait, I will remove this so that you can see. Okay. I'm using a board where I usually do my painting stuff. Okay. So now I will put it here in the center. And first of all, we have to keep it vertical and it should open from right hand side. So you have to put it like this. Hello? Yeah. Okay. So it should open like this. Now I will keep, we just have folded the paper. We have taken an A4 size paper and we have folded it from the middle. That's what we have done till now. Now we will pick up our plate and we will keep it like this. It should be touching the above corner and the left, touching the left side and upper side. If it is like not touching, it is fine. We will keep it like this and we will hold it, and from this point, from where it is touching now, we will start drawing and we will draw till here. We have to cut this corner, so we will just draw a circle here and then we will draw it till here. Okay, so now not working. Okay, so can you all see? I have made a semicircle kind of thing because I will be cutting it. Show me a thumbs up if you're done with it. I will make it a bit darker so you can see. Done. Yes. Now I will take a scale. Okay. Do you all have a scale? Yes. I will take a scale and I will make a straight line here from this end to the last point, and I will make a scale like this. Okay. And this is the part I don't need. See, this is the part I don't need and I will cut it. I will mark it so that you can see. You don't have to outline it. I'm doing the outline so that you can see properly the shape we need. This cutting part, you can take the help of your parents also. And show me this shape if you all are done. If you have made this shape, you have to show me. Meera, bring it a bit forward. Okay, right. So your card should open like this. We don't have to cut this part, okay? Because from here our card is connected. Now we will hold our card, we will hold the scissor and we will start cutting on this line. Slowly. Very good, Angad. Good. We have to cut it. So now I have this shape. And this is the final shape of my card. All show me like this. When you're done, you have to show me your card, open it up and show it like this. I'm checking. This. Mira, are you done? Kanishka and Shahida, Simran, Ananya and Tanya. Yes, right, Pratham and Neha, right, very good. Avya, very good. Mira, yours is fine. And Simran, show me. Shahida, you have cut your paper into two pieces. It should be connected. See? Sanvi, sorry, Sanvi. Admin, show yours. Angad, open your paper. Very good. Fine. Admin, yours is correct. Ananya, yours is also correct. Simran, very good. Shahida, open your screen so that I can see whether you have done right or not. Okay. Ma'am, how to do this? Tanya, you don't know? We have folded the paper and then we have draw this circle using this, and then we have made a line and then we have cut it. Okay, so we got this shape. Now we will take a pencil and eraser and we will start making our drawing. So first of all, take the center point. This is the center point and I will slightly shift downwards and I'll make a dot. A dot. Visible? Okay. Now I will take two dots just above. Like if I make a line, if I draw a line, the dot should come here, but I'll make it little upwards. And same here. Okay, so I have made two dots here and one here. Little bit upward from this drop. And now I will draw a flat C on this. That is why we drew the dots, so that you can take exact proportion, because we don't want the straight line. It has to be a flat C. Okay, done. Voice is not coming. Is it audible now? Good, good. Now we will take two dots on this. One dot this side and one dot this side. Okay, and we will draw an 11, a big 11, straight line here and straight line here. Two lines we have to draw. And then we will make small dots at equal distances. Shahida, please open your camera so that I can see. And you all keep showing me when you're done. Just show me a thumbs up so that I can know you are done or not. Very good. You have drawn the circles. Now we will draw circle around it. Small circle. It has to be very small, not big, okay? Tanya, what have you not done? Can you please show me what you have done till now? Fold the paper. Now draw a circle above it. Okay, done. Very good. Now we will take one dot here and one dot here. Okay, and very close. This is like far, but it is very close. It has to be very close. One dot here and one here. I will make the dots using sketch pen so that you can see. Okay, these are the 4 dots I have taken, and now I will join this dot to this dot. And this to this. Okay, I have drawn 2 lines to connect this. Okay, are you all done till now, till here? Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, okay. Sanvi is still doing, Mahika is doing, Mihika, and Meera is doing. Angad, you're done? Very good. And Tanya is not visible. Simran is not visible. Ananya is also done. Very good. Very good, Angad. Simran, Himani, can you show me what you have done? Shahida, please show me. Simran, Simran, you are online with two cameras. I'm not able to figure out from which you have logged in. Edwin, you're also done. Please rename. I don't know your name. Okay. Okay, now we will move ahead. Now we will take the center of this, like this above shape. We will take the center of this and little bit downwards, we will draw a line. Okay, a line, and it has to be a very light, not dark line, a very light line. Tanya, please complete. I think you have joined late, na? That is why. Students, we all have to be in time, okay? Every time you join the class, because we already have very less time, na? And we have to complete one artwork, so we all have to join in time, okay? Try to join before the time. Very good. All are done. Now we will draw a flat O. And this is the nose. A flat O. And then we will erase this middle line. We drew it just to have an idea of the shape, how long it is going to be. Now just below this nose, we will make a dot in center, and we will make one dot here and one dot here on both the sides. And now we will draw a 3. Okay. Done? Okay. Now we will draw the eyes. So on the either side of the nose, on both the sides of the nose, we will draw 2 O. Okay. Make sure they are in same line. They have to be in same line. And once you're done with it, you have to show me a thumbs up. And you have to show me what you have done till now also. I want to see. Those who are done, they keep showing me. Angad, can you bring it forward? Very good. It's very cute. Meera, bring it forward. Wow, very nice. Mihika, very good. Edmin, very cute. Avya, bring it little forward. Good, good. Sanvi, very nice. Avya, very good. And Simran, very nicely done. Pratham, you are doing? Kanishka, have you done it? And those who are done, we will need another paper. So take out another paper till now. Pratham, complete it and then show me what you have done. Yes. Okay. Now, we will take the sketch pen and we will start doing the outline. Take the sketch pen and start with the outline. And one more thing, you have to open your page like this and then do the outline so that this page won't get spoiled. This area won't get spoiled. And we have to do the outline here also. This might be little difficult, but you have to practice it. And outline has to be from back to front, from left to right. Okay, and from upwards to downwards. And these circles we created now, these circles, we will fill them with black pen only. And they have to be small. Don't make them too big. Now when we will fill the colors in eyes, draw the outline and fill it. Draw the outline and fill it. Draw the outline of the nose, but we will not fill it. It has to be like this. And show me thumbs up or show me when once you're done. Very good, Sanvi. Good. And start erasing lines very gently. You don't have to rub it, otherwise you'll spoil your card. Go very gently. Erase extra pencil lines so that we'll have our neat output. And then we will blow it off, all the dust. This is the final output I want. Very good, Sanvi. Very good, Kanishka. Very nice. You have erased all your lines. Good, good. Okay. Those who are done, we will need we will need this dark brown plastic crayon. Show me once you are done with it. Very good. Take out the color and we will start coloring it. I will tell you where to color. Yes. So we will start coloring this part. Okay. And you don't have to do dark color. Make it very light. Same direction and start filling it. Don't change your direction, only in the upper part. Repeat your strokes 4 times at a place, small strokes, and fill it. Okay, you all can see now I'm doing very light. It does not have to be too dark. Small lines in same direction. You don't have to repeat your direction, like change your direction. If it will be in random directions now, it will not look good. It has to be in same direction, small lines, and don't put pressure on your color. Otherwise, it will get broken and it will cause trouble for you to hold and to color. It will be very difficult. And slowly, you don't have to rush. Go very slow. And if you think your strokes are not coming nice, just sharp it. Tanya, I'm waiting. You do it. What you have done, show me. Very good. Now you have to color it. That's it. Start coloring. I'm also coloring. Complete it. Yes, this is the color, right? And you have to be very slow at the time when you're doing around the nose or around other shapes so that it does not get spread in other shapes. It has to be very neat. Okay, small strokes, one direction, and a big thumbs up when you're done. And you know who is this? Is this the father or the kid? Tell me. This is the father we are making, okay? And this is a teddy bear. We are making a father teddy bear and we'll be making a kid teddy bear, a baby teddy. Inside, you can write your message that I love you, dad. You're the best father. Whatever you want to tell him, just write it inside, okay? Okay, so I have colored it now. And what I will do now, I will again do the coloring in the outlines. I will make it little darker at the edges so that it will give a darker shade and a 3D look to my drawing. And this time I'm doing it in the direction of this line, this outer line. Very slowly you will do the darker part in the corners, and you will see that it is giving a 3D look to your drawing. Very good, Sanvi. Now start doing this part that I'm doing now, and strokes have to be very small. If anywhere you can see, like I have filled this part. Now, if anywhere you see the white color now, white color of the sheet, you just fill it. It has to be the even color throughout. Even color tone has to be there, okay? And every time you want to make something look 3D now, this is what you have to do. You have to do the even color first. Pratham, very good. You're done with coloring? I'm not able to see. Can you bring it forward? Good, good. Now do the outline part. This I'm doing to give it a 3D look. Darker at the edges and lighter inside so that it gets merged like this. And you know, we did an activity yesterday, a Father's Day activity, where we drew Super Dad, Dad in the form of Superman, standing on the rainbow. Were you there? How many of you attended last day's activity? Tanya, you did? It was also a very good activity. Wow, Tanya is showing what she has done. Very good. You have done it beautifully. Very nice. Very good, Avya. Mika, very good. You all have given very nice texture. We will do it at the bottom also. Here also. Repeat this darker tone in the edges. And after this, see, I'm done. You can see the 3D look now. Now I will take out my colors and I will take out black color. I want to use the black one now. I'll keep it back. I will take black color and I will do not dark, just a thin line inside and very light. It will give even nice 3D look to my drawing. A very thin line. Make sure if you will do it too dark now, it will spoil the look. So you just have to make just one single line of black and very gently and slowly. So it will give a depth to your drawing. That's it. See, I've given a very thin line. Good, very good, Pratham. Very good. Very good, Sanvi. Very nice. Angat, very good. Very cute. Others are still doing? Very good, Edmund. Good. What's your name? Very good, Avya. I IKEA. Okay, IKEA. Wait, just a minute. Yeah, tell me. Very good, very good. Yeah, tell me. Very nice. I Yes, what's your name? Aikya Mishra. Okay. Very good, Meera. Very good, Mihika. Kanishka. Very good. Okay, so you all are done now. Now we will we will take the black color and we will start coloring this side. What we want to show that this bear has wore a blazer. I will start filling the black color again in same direction, small strokes, and be very careful at the outlines. Very gentle and soft with your colors. Okay? And see, my color is blunt now. So I will sharp it. Okay? Very good. Shahida, very good. Okay. So now I have sharpened my color. I have sharpened my color. Okay. Now I will start filling again and you will see the difference. The strokes come very nicely and very smoothly. So I will fill black color. Repeat 4 times at one place so that your color would look bright. If you will not repeat it now, it will come dull. Except at the times when we have to do light color, like we did in the skin of bear, na, we did light color. But here in blazer, we will in darker shade so that we will repeat our strokes 4 times at a place. Very small strokes and in one direction. And the strokes have to be small. All those who have done very good. Kanishka, good. And make sure white color is not visible. If you see white color anywhere, just fill it with your color. The shape which we are filling with color has to have the even tone. Yes. I'm done with this part. And now I will start filling in this part. Okay, small strokes and in one direction. At the corners, your strokes have to be very small. And be very careful at the outlines. Or you can make the outlines first and then fill. And keep showing me when you're done, okay? Angad, you're done? Very good. But try to make the color even more even. Bring it forward. Bring it little forward. Okay. Good, good. Check your shape and just figure out if you have any white space left. See, as I can see, white space is there. Okay, so you fill it with color so that your color would look even. Very good, Pratham. Very good. And those who are done with it, be ready with another sheet. Pratham, very good. Simran, very good. Good, good. Be ready with another sheet, those who are done. As I'm also not done yet, I'm also filling the color. And take out the, keep it aside. Avya, show me, you're done. Very good, Avya, very good, Sanvi. Okay, now take your another sheet. I am also done now. Okay, and Angad was already done. Ananya, very good. Okay, keep it aside now. Now I will take another sheet. Zoom out. Now I will take another sheet and I will take my pencil. Okay, I will take my pencil and I will take the scale also. Take your scale and keep it here. And draw. No, we are not going to paint. We will not do painting in this session. But this card, this is craft actually. Till now you have done just the color. Now we are going to do the craft part. Okay. So you have to make 2 lines like this. See? And 11 you have to make 2 equal lines. And we will join them with a U here and a U here. So we will have this shape. And when you're done with it, you have to show me. Very good, Ekya, very good. And Simran. Okay, very good. Yes, very good, Mira. Myra. Is it Myra or Mira? Pratham, your circle is too flat. The U has to be round. It is looking too flat. Okay, make it round. Okay. So leave this part now. Now we will make a at the corner we will make a rectangle. These are different shapes that we are making and we will combine them in the end. If you are using the scale, are you all using the scale? Okay, so you all must be knowing the measurement. You can make it 7 to 8 centimeter long. Okay, 7 to 8 centimeter. Very good, Tanya. Very good. And the height can be 5 centimeter. If you know how to do it, or you can make a box like this also. So here we have 2 shapes. And show me a thumbs up when you're done with it. Bring it forward, Avya. Very good. Good, good. Very good. Simran, very good. Sanvi, good. All are done. Okay. Now we will need a bangle, or you can take this, a bottle, bangle shape. Do you all have a bangle? Good. Now, little bit ahead, you have to draw a, a circle. Draw a circle. Done? All are done making the circle? Quickly show a thumbs up if done with the circle. Very good, Sanvi. Okay. So now, all of you, watch carefully. This is going to be the baby's face, and here we will make it little bit flat from the bottom. I am making a line inside, and I will erase this line so that my face would be flat, and I will erase it from the bottom. Okay, if you fix your shape, it will be like this. When you're done with this shape, you have to show me. You all have to show me. Simran, very good. Sanvi, bring it closer. Very good. Draw the line which is below this line. Avya, bring it little bit close. I can't see, sorry. Okay, very good. Good, good. Very good, Angad. And Ananya, good. Mihika, very good. Ikya, very good. Okay, okay. So now we will take a two dots here, two dots here. Take the sketch pen and draw two dots here. I am using the sketch pen. You don't have to take the sketch pen. No, Pratham. You have to do it using your pencil only. And two dots here. I'm doing it using sketch pen so you can see. And we will make one U, then another small U. And we will make another one U, then small U. Okay? Done? Now, little bit downwards. At this side, we will make a flat O. And we will take the center at the lower line of the O and we will make a 3, a flat 3. So it will be a small smile. Very good, Simran. Very good. Meera, you have to draw ears also. Very good. Very good. Good. Ekya, good. Ananya, very good. Sanvi, very good. Okay. Mihika, nice. Very nice. Very good, all of you. Very nicely done, Angad and Avya. Good. Now we will make U. Here, like here, we will make a U and we will make another U here. Okay. And we will make small, tiny lines here. Can you see this? Small. So that it will look like a baby. Yeah. Okay. And we will make eyebrows. A flat line here and a flat line here. Very small. And now we will do its outline. Take out the pen and start doing the outline. We will fill this nose and the eyebrow has to be very small. Okay, and then we will again erase the extra lines. And go very slow. Okay, all are done with it? Okay, Sanvi. Very good. Avya, very good. Very good, Simran. Very nice. Very good, Angad. Kanishka, very nice. Okay, and now come this side. Very good, Tanya. Very cute. Ananya, very cute. Now come another side of the paper. And you have to draw and make it like at a distance. At one corner, you have to draw one U, and other corner, you have to draw another U. Okay? Yes. Now, from this dot, from this line, take a dot, make a dot here, and make a dot here. And same with this, inside, make a dot here and make a dot here. Now, this part is very important. And can you all see? Wait, okay, just a minute. Yes. Visible now? Okay, this part is very important, so be very careful. I have taken, see, I took a dot here, then I took a dot here, here, and here. Okay. Now, in between, I will take another dot, small. So we will have 3 dots here and 3 dots here. Okay. Now, one more dot we want. At the end, we will take 1 dot at the bottom of both. So these are all the dots we have to make. Done? Okay. Now, we will join this dot to this dot, making a U, a small U. And I will join this dot to this dot, making again a small U. Okay? Not audible? Now, can you all listen? Show me a thumbs up if you can listen. Okay, okay. Pratham? Okay. Now, we will join this line you can see now, this line to this dot, making a U again, like this. Okay? And, okay, show me a thumbs up if you're done till here. Okay, Sanvi, Avya, good, Tanya, Ekya, Angat. Tanya, your this shape is going wrong, I think. You have to connect, you have connected to the wrong dot. Please check again. This dot to this dot. Avya, very good. Mihika, very good. Pratham, this dot to this dot. Connect it again. You have connected. Okay, you have connected. I could not see that. Very good, Angad. Very nicely done. Okay, now these are the hands actually. These are the hands of this little one. Now we will make the fingers. So we will connect this dot to this dot, making a U again. A U and a small U. And we will connect it. A U and a small U. So now I have the hands of little one. Okay. And when you have these shapes ready now, outline them with black sketch pen. So the final shape would be this. And like this. Okay. Very good, Sanvi. Good, it is good. Now at this part. Very good, Pratham. Your kid is going to be a builder, bodybuilder. Ekya. Good. Very good. Very good, Mika. Okay, now at this corner, we will make 2-3 dots like this. And at here, we will make just 4 to 5 dots I'm making, not more. See, few dots here and few dots here. Now you have to take your yellow color. Take out your yellow color. Good. Very good. And we will just make an outline inside the face. We are not going to fill the face, just an outline of yellow. We will let it be white only. Okay, and we will do the ears inside part also yellow. And same we will do with hands. Okay, we had to erase the extra outlines also in the hand. Erase the lines, extra lines, and then you have to make this part. Just make outlines inside the hand. And it has to be very light. We are doing this just to highlight. Okay? And those who are done with this, very good, Simran, very good. Those who are done with this can start filling this box with black color. This box we created now, we have to fill black color in this box. We could use any black color sheet also, but as we do not have sheets available at this time, because it is lockdown going on now, that is the reason why we are using coloring the sheets and then using it, and it gives a very good handmade effect. Make the outlines and fill complete box with black color. You have to repeat your stroke 4 times at a place. Small strokes, one direction. And fill the color. I have filled black color also. Very good, Simran. Make one more layer of coloring so that your color would be smooth. And when you're done with it now, just keep showing. I have done this and I have completed this also. Very good. Very good. Now, this part is left. Okay. I will take the pencil. Yes, you have done outline of this also. I will take the pencil and I will draw another 11 inside like this. And I will join it using U only. So I will have one capsule shape kind of shape into another. And once I'm done with it, I will do the outline using black sketch pen. So this is the shape I want. I made an 11 inside and then I connected it using a U. So I'm done with the outline also, and I will erase pencils extra lines again. And are you all done with it? Okay. Tanya completed. Very good. Ananya, very good. Very good, Mihika. Those who are done with it can start filling black color inside. Here. Net is gone. Net. Net नहीं चल रहा. Hello? Can you all listen? This part. Okay. So in the center now, you have to start filling black color in the center and start filling black color inside. And the brown color that we did in the skin of teddy bear, na? We will do the brown color outside here. Again in same direction, like this time I'm doing vertical, so I will make all the coloring in vertical color, vertical direction only. Okay, keep filling and show me a thumbs up when you're done. You have to show me when you're done with this part. We're about to get done with our card. Very good, Mehika. Very good. Very good, Simran. Very nice. Ananya, show me. Very good. And Angad, what you have done? Done with it? Okay, okay, good. There is a white, like little patch of white color, Angad, in your this shape we made. So you fill it, okay? Fill black color inside. And others are doing it. Okay. Very good, Tanya. Very good, Sanvi. Very good, all of you. Those who have done it now, they can start cutting these shapes. First of all, cut this black box. Take the scissor and start cutting this black box. And very carefully. You don't have to rush. You can take help also while cutting. But go very slow about it. So I have taken out this black box. I will keep it aside. I will cut another shape, this one. Just near the outlines. Okay, now I have this shape and this shape. I will cut my face now, and while cutting the face and hands, you can take help also if you think you're not able to do it, or you should try, I think, but be very careful about it. Cut near the outlines very slowly. Cutting paper is great fun, na? We all enjoy to cut things. And that is the reason why we all love craft a lot, because we get to do a lot of cutting and pasting in craft, right? When I was young, I also used to love cutting things. Paper, I used to make so many cards and paper cutting stuff and all. And very slowly. See, I am also going very slow. You don't have to rush while cutting it. And if you will go slow now, your cutting would be very neat. And if you will rush, you might cut the ear or nose or anything. So you have to be very careful. Cut the head. Now I will cut the, and the best part to cut is, see, I have taken this part out. I'm not cutting it from the whole paper. I've taken it separate and now I will cut it. So it will be easy for me to cut. Okay? Slowly, very slow. And see, I've taken out my hand also. I will be doing another hand, and again to do this, I will cut this part separate first and then I will cut it. And you have to show me a thumbs up when you're done with it. Tanvi, you're done with it? Show me all your shapes. I want to see your shapes, how you have cut. Very good. Wow, your cutting is so good. Very good. Very good. Very nicely done. Okay, come on. We have to cut these parts. See, whatever part is troubling you now, just cut it aside. Like this part was disturbing me. I have cut it aside and then I'll do the further cutting. It will help you a lot and it will be very easy for you to cut the shapes, because these extra paper actually create the trouble while cutting. So as you all can see, I have all my parts ready. And you can show me when you're done with it, because I'm waiting for you. Very good, Simran. Very good. Very good, Sanvi. Ananya, what are you doing? Kanishka, very nice. Very good. Angad, show me your shapes. Good. Very good. Very cute. Very nice. This is the hand. Okay, this is the rectangle you're cutting. Okay. Admin Akia. Okay, okay. Very good. Very good, Simran. Very good. All the shapes are nicely cut. Okay, so now I'm picking up this shape. I am folding it equally. And I will cut it into, like, I will have this line in between. And I will cut it into two equal parts. Like this. So you know what it is actually? It is the ears of our father, our uh, card that we have created now, our teddy. It's the ears of our teddy. See. Okay. We will assemble it and you will see how beautiful it looks. Okay. All ready with it? You have to set it like this. And show me a thumbs up when you're ready with it. Take out your double-sided tape and show me if you have it. Be ready with all the stuff. Very good, very good. And those who don't have double-sided tape, na, they can use glue. Glue and cotton. Very good, Angad. Good. Okay, so shall we start assembling? I want to see the thumbs up. All show me a thumbs up if you are ready to start assembling. Okay, okay, Angad. Avya, are you done with it? You're doing? Complete fast. Okay, Shahida is also doing. Okay, I'm waiting. Ananya, are you ready? Okay. So we are waiting for two of our friends. Once they get done, we will start. Okay. Those who are done with it, take out this rectangle and start making a very thin fan shape. And you have to do it horizontally. You have to do this folding. We all know how to make a fan, right? Make it very neat. And this is my fan shape ready. Okay. See, I will give it the form of a bow. Do you have sellotape? Sellotape, or I can use Fevicol also. Take the Fevicol and in the center part, like you have to give the shape first. Give it the shape of a bow. Okay, this shape. And then you have to put Fevicol drops in the center. Just in center, and then you can hold it. Yes, and then hold it like this. Extra Fevicol will come and you can use cotton to remove it. Hold it like this. I've holded it so that it gets sticked and it is open at the edges, and okay, spread the edges like this. And here is my bow all ready. Show me your bow, everyone. And you have to hold your bow like this, not from the center. Like mine have sticked. I want to see whether yours is sticked or not. Very good, very cute. Mihika, very nice. Sanvi, very good. Pratham, good. Stick it nicely. Simran, very good. Meera, very good. Angad, show me your bow. Very good, Tanya. Very good, Aikya. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Avya. Very good. Okay, so keep it aside. Now we will take our double-sided tape, and first of all you have to cut a shape like this, like a rectangle. Okay, and then you have to divide it into two equal parts, and you have to take the ear and you have to paste it here. one here and one here. And those who don't have double-sided tape, they will simply put the glue dot here and here. Okay? Kids, are you finding it difficult or you're enjoying it? Show me a thumbs up if you're finding it, like if you're enjoying it, and show me a thumbs down if you're finding it difficult. All enjoying it, na? Okay. Okay. So, okay, now you have to open your card like this. This part should not get affected because here we are going to write the message. We are going to play with this part only. Now, for those who have put double-sided tape, remove this yellow paper and you have to paste it inside. One here, like this, and one here at the corners. So now my father Teddy has 2 ears. Okay? Now is the time for our baby. So now we will cut another flat like this and we will paste it at the bottom. It has to be very thin and we will place it at the bottom. And for those who have glue, they can put simple glue dots here. Simple glue dots at the bottom of the face of baby teddy bear. And now I will remove it and I will paste it here. See, I will paste it like this. Can you see? And show me once you are done till here, okay? Very good, Meera. Very good. Very good, Mihika. Very good. Aikya, very good. Very good, Kanishka. Wow, Avya, very cute. Very good. Sanvi, very good. Very good, Ananya. Very nice. Very good, Tanya. Very good. Okay, now we have 2 hands. Angad, have you done? Very good, Simran. Where is your ear? Okay, now again we will cut a double-sided tape. To remove it. Okay, so I will take a flat, then I will cut it into 2 equal parts, and then I will paste it here at the corner of the hands, and it should not go out of the shape. Okay, see, visible? We have to put double-sided tape here, and same for here at the back of the hands we have drawn, and it should not be visible from the front. If it is visible, just cut it off. So now I have these 2 and I have pasted them like this. And those who have regular glue, they will put glue dots here and here. Done? Okay. Now remove one. I have taken the one from right side. Okay. So take this one and remove it, and you have to paste it here from the ear to here like this. And another one like this. And here is the baby. This is the little baby who is giving a very tight hug to his father, who is a teddy bear. Show me when you're done with it. I want to see how is it coming out. Very cute, Ananya. Very good. Very cute, Avya. Sanvi, very cute. Meera, very good. Very good. Mihika, very nice. Very nice, Simran. Okay, now is the time for our bow, which would come here. Take the back side of the bow. Again, take two, like we will cut a slit like this. We will divide it into two equal parts like this. And we will paste. You don't have to push it, just place it. Okay, on both the sides of the bow. Like this. Then slowly remove it. And this line has to come here in the center. We will place our bow. And this is my final card. Very good. Kanishka, very cute. Very good, Sanvi. Very nicely done. Very good, Ekya. Very nice. Very nice, Simran. Very good. Meera, very good. Mihika, very nice. Very good, Avya. Very cute. Very good. Pratham, yours is also very cute. So you all enjoyed it? Did you all like the card? Show me a thumbs up with a smile if you liked it. Okay, so here, now see, this is the place where you have to write the message for your father, okay? You have lots of space here. And you can color this part also from inside if you want, or leave it blank. You have this space and write so many messages for your father, okay? And you can gift it to him on Father's Day, okay? And do share when you gift it to your father now, do share a picture you giving this to your father and share it with us, okay? All of you have to show me a thumbs up. Very good, very good. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your pictures and I'll put it in my status, right? Okay, thank you so much. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Happy Father's Day to all of you. Bye.